Hey guys, it is like January 23rd, and we built a igloo-ish type thing. We packed it in, we made the walls out of snow, obviously. It's so cold. And we put a bunch of branches too on top of it. And we have a tarp as our roof, like an old tarp. And yeah, the inside's really cool. It's pretty hard to get in though. But the little fence here, and then the inside. So yeah, I'll get a better view of it. There it is. SnowFort. It is so snowy out here. I swear to God, like, look how deep the snow is. Like, I'm gonna show you how deep. Look how deep. Oh my God. It's insane. Oh, my hands are so cold. I took my gloves off. All right. That's pretty much it for right now.
You want to get a thermometer and check the different temperatures there.
It's really warm in there. Cooper, can I come in? I'm going to show you guys the inside. Cooper's already in here. Look how packed it is. It's awesome. Hello, Cooper. He's really cold. And then we have a sled in here. I don't know why. Cooper has a sled in here. And yeah, it's coughing attack. It's super like warm in here. Cause like no wind is getting in here at all. And you can just chill. It's really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I look like a flippin' like, do I live in Antarctica?
I look like I live in Antarctica.
You look like you live in Antarctica. Look at that. We got snow pants, and they're so big. They make.
Wait, do you got your overall snow pants?
Yeah, these are them.
The one that goes over your shoulders like overalls?
Yeah, it's underneath my jacket.
Looky. I want to show you guys something.
I really like your hat.
Cooper, it's also getting windier and colder.
You just ate snow, didn't you?
Want to come, Kayla?
What?
Up to the sledding slope?
Yeah. Oh yeah,
We
definitely.
got a little ramp, and it's awesome, Kayla.
I love the sled.
Come on. We have to walk through the worst.
It's fine.
Close the door.
All right, I don't think I'll be able to film. I will see if I'm allowed to film while we sled, but I'm going to go and get my gloves, and hopefully you guys can hear me. I really hope you guys can, but here are my gloves. I'm going to put them on, and you might see us sledding, so bye for now.